By pairs po siya.
Okay!
Go! Ah! Kamatis. Isang kamatis. Sample.
Okay. Begin. Ready.
Dapat mag-cross nito dito.
Umpisa pa lang po yan ang
Talo ko
aking
mahulog sa stage.
Talo ulit.
sayahan dito sa ang ligayang tanghalian sa Pyramid Brothers.
Tanghalan.
Tanghalan pala.
Nakaganon.
Dapat ito ga. Doon!
Isa lang!
Aba, gawar.
Ang hirap naman.
Sige. Okay. Tapos na ang presentation. Tapos na ang sample. Oh my God. This is it. Teka lang, pinapagod nito ay may kapal ng nanalong grupo.
Okay, this is it!
Okay.
Good!
Ang host naging contestant.
Oo.
Okay, good.
Wait lang.
Ang daya nyo.
Diskarte yan.
Kaya nga, diskarte namin. Ganito.
Ba, daya?
Okay. Start na.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
Sampu talaga?
Oo, 10. Sige, ako muna.
Ready?
Ready? Ikaw, ready? Ikaw, host. Ready? Ikaw magre-referee yan, host. Sige, go.
Sa likod na lang, no?
Oo, likod na.
Is everyone ready? Contestants ready? Ready! Okay, we are starting in 5,
Isang
4,
papunta doon.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh yeah, go! Now at 15, Bigo has the lead! Bigo has the lead!
Isa lang, bago! Ako na!
Dali!
Baba!
Vamos! Later, still trying to hit his tomato! Back to starting point!
Talo tayo nito, bago!
Yes! I forgot to mention that the losing team will have a consequence, which you will find out about later.
Ask Kuya if you can play music while this is ongoing. Dito na lang.
Uy, dali! Baba mo pa!
Gusto mo din.
Wait lang.
Huwag mo kong hawakan. Full volume mo lang.
Kasi baba mo na pa!
Yun!
Wala!
Yun!
Tama na din! Tama na! Sa guhit lang daw! O, pinalabas mo!
Okay, go!
Okay, King!
Okay na yan!
Okay na! Bilisin na!
No! It has to pass the orange line!
Orange line?
Begin!
Ako na.
Bumaba ka!
Yun!
Next one, guys!
Nice one, Mamo!
Dali!
Okay.
Sin and Beagle, the red team are still at a lead. Dali, baba!
Sige, ikaw. Mas magaling kayo.
Okay lang, it's still passed. Go, next one!
Go!
Later, go na!
Tama ka na. Dun ka.
Ang pangit naman ito.
Good job! Sin and Beagle, leading! Sin and Beagle!
Grabe.
Come on!
Grabe si Tin.
4-2 to Sin and Beagle.
Ako.
Hey, no cheating!
Kamay mo.
Ikaw! Kano ko kamay sa puwet? Sa likod?
Yeah, yan lang.
Ah!
Ako. Ay!
Konti lang,
Tao
konti lang.
yan! Your arms
Ay,
have to be up!
hinawakan, balik.
Your arms
Hinawakan
have
niyo
to
yung
be
tali.
up!
Balik.
Balik!
Balik.
Huwag kamay sa likod.
Balik!
Balik. Okay, tama na yun. Nag-cross na siya. Bumalik.
To.
Ikaw.
Yes! Ay! Arms up on your head!
Go. Sige,
Arms up on your head, everyone!
Ba't
If you
bumalik?
don't put your arms up, you will go back to the starting line!
Oh, yan na.
Tutin.
Okay. Kana.
Dali!
Kailangan kaayusin na.
Dali!
Kailangan paayusin ako.
Okay, good job, Slater! Slater! It's Papa turn!
Pamo na. Ikaw na.
Ako na, natamaan mo.
Ay, double hit.
Yay! Back here!
Back to zero.
Hindi, dito lang.
Cheating.
Hindi naman ako.
Double hit!
Ang kaya ni Mama.
Cheating.
Oy, Pamo!
Ako na.
Oh, yeah. Go.
Slater!
Ah!
Good job! Pamo! We're back to the start! Sige, Slater!
Okay, good job.
Hey, good job! Okay, Tamasa! Good job, Pamo!
Yun!
Oh my God!
Papa!
Hey! Pamo!
Ako na.
It's one hit lang.
Oh, yeah. Open. Tulak.
Okay, go.
Ako na.
Ikaw na. Pangina!
Hey, come on! Go! Hey! Go! Guys, you are currently at tie!
Okay, go!
Yan, ako.
Alright, Pamo, back to the start!
Why?
As he hit it more than once!
Ay.
Back to the
Ba't ako ito
start!
lang?
Go.
Ayun.
It's cheating!
One stop, Pamo, one. Okay.
Ay, cheating!
Akala ko yung kamay na sa ulo.
Sige, ulo. Ikaw,
Update. Anong update?
They are currently very close to tie right now.
Yeah, go.
Though we are keeping a close watch with their shot.
Ay, nahulog.
Mamamatid.
Grabe!
Oh, dali, Slater!
Excuse.
Touch mo lang.
Ayun!
Hey, Pamo!
Leading.
Hey! Pamo and Slater and in the lead!
Kamay, Pamo, kamay. Okay, ako na. Ayun.
Yay! Next one!
Ikaw, sorry. Kamay, bigay.
Go, Tin and Spiegel! Woo! Oh, dali, Slater!
Matatamaan mo. Bahala ka dyan.
10 minutes na!
Ayun, bigay. Ay, hindi naman namin sinasadya yun eh.
No, this one is because it's Tin! Miguel's the tin!
Wala ka ba? Bawal yan. Talo ang makakapa. Si Miguel, wala talong. Wala. Dapat.
Miguel gets it! Miguel gets it! Miguel gets it! Teka!
Oh my God! Natanggal yung talong ko.
So, we didn't talk about the consequence, pero the consequence is Bigo has to be done up with makeup from tin.
No. Kami mag-make up both of them.
They're gonna make up. The losers will be made up by the winners.
Then
Good
afterwards
job,
will be
Arthur.
followed by